In a dusty museum, two janitors, Bob and Tim, were cleaning late at night. Bob pointed at a strange mummy. "Looks like my Aunt Edna after a bad hair day," Tim chuckled. "Or like you before coffee." Suddenly, the mummy's eyes glowed. "Did it just wink?" Bob gasped. "Nah, just your imagination," Tim shrugged. But then, the mummy sneezed, sending dust everywhere. "Bless you," Bob said instinctively. The mummy replied, "Thanks. Allergies are killer on this planet." Bob and Tim stared, mouths agape. "Guess we need to stock up on alien antihistamines," Tim quipped.